Hello and welcome to ActivTrades Weekly Outlook. Given the last 2 weeks have been plagued by warnings of a repeat of the 2008 global financial crisis, panic has resulted in the wiping out of $500 billion from the value of banks throughout the world. Investors will be asking themselves, what's next this week? On Monday, the German IFO Business Climate Index, which tracks how businesses see the present and future state of the German economy, is expected to show an improvement. The Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index is also due, with expectations for the figure to stay in negative territory for March at -10. Despite rising prices and growing cost of living across Australia, expectations on Tuesday are for 0.5% growth in Australian retail sales. The US Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Index, which tracks the level of consumer confidence in the US economy, is expected to show a slight decline on Tuesday, in a report that is closely watched by investors. On Wednesday, the German GfK Consumer Climate Indicator and US spending monthly home sales are both due. The GfK Consumer Climate Indicator is expected to improve to -28, and the US spending monthly home sales are projected to have grown by 1% for February. On Thursday, German CPI figures are due to be released, with expectations for a slight decline for March. Quarter-over-quarter growth in the United States GDP will show that growth slowed to 2.57% in Q4 2022, down from the advanced forecast of 2.9% and the previous quarter's 3.2% growth. In February, the official MBS manufacturing PMI climbed to 52.6. With Beijing's decision to abandon a zero-COVID policy, industry activities increased for the second consecutive month. Expectations are that the PMI will show a slight decline. US personal consumption expenditures that include food and energy grew 0.6% month-over-month in January, and a 0.6% growth is also expected for February when the report is released on Friday. That's all for this week. Happy trading!